Children, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nursery class, welcome back once again to your English class. Children, today we are going to do the revision of the exercise name the picture. You can see here I have pasted some picture on the left side, and on the right side I have given you the blank space. This means you have to see the picture and you have to write the name of the picture. So children, all of you get ready with your 4-line copy, pencil and eraser. So let's start. Are you all ready? So who can tell me which picture is this? Can any one of you answer me? Which picture is this? Tell me the name of the picture. Who will going to answer me? Be loud and answer. Yes, very good. This is the sun. So we will going to write here sun. S U N, sun. This is the picture of the sun, and you can see I have written here SUN, sun. Now who will going to answer me which picture is this? Tell me the name of the picture. Answer me. Let me see who knows the answer. Who knows the name of the picture? Tell me the name. Okay, very good. This is a pot. This is a picture of a pot. So we will going to write here P O T, pot, in the space provided here. So this is a picture of the sun. As I have written here SUN, sun. This is a picture of a pot. You can see I have written here POT, pot. Sun, pot. Now I am going to ask you, who will tell me which picture is this? Can anyone of you know the name of this picture? Be loud and answer me. Which picture is this? Who will going to answer me? Let me see who knows the answer. Yes, very good. This is the picture of a nut. So here we will going to write N U and T. N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. This is the picture of the sun, S-U-N, sun. This is picture of a pot, P-O-T, pot. And this is a picture of a nut, N-U-T, nut. Sun, pot and nut. Now let me see who knows the answer or who knows the name of this picture. Who will going to tell me the name of this picture? Do you all know the name of this picture? Then answer me. Let me see who can answer. Yes, very good. This is a picture of a cot. So we are going to write cot in the line provided here. We will going to write C O T, C O T, cot. This is a picture of a cot and I have written here C O T, cot. You can see this picture of the sun. Here I have written SUN, sun. This picture of a pot. Here you can see I have written POT, pot. This is picture of a nut. You can see I have written here NUT, nut. And this picture of a cot, I have written COT, cot. Now, who knows the name of this picture? Let me see who can answer me, or who can tell me the name of this picture. Be loud and answer the name of the picture. Very nice. This is a picture of hut. So we will going to write hut, HUT. Hut. We will going to write the name of the picture hut, HUT, hut. This picture of a hut. Here I have written HUT, hut. Now this is the picture of the sun. I have written SUN, sun. This is a picture of a pot. I have written POT, pot. This is a picture of a nut. You can see I have written NUT, nut. This is a picture of a cot. Here I have written COT, cot. And this is a picture of a hut. You can see I have written here HUT, hut. So sun, pot, nut, cot, hut. Let me repeat it again. All of you repeat it. Sun, pot, nut, cot, hut. Okay. So children, you all will do the practice of this exercise. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.